Hello there, welcome back to the one and only Hosting Your Academy. My name is Gantare and today we'll be teaching you how to sell on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get into it. Learning how to sell on Instagram offers businesses of all sizes incredible opportunities to reach their target audiences and drive sales. More and more brands are recognizing the value of having an establishment Instagram presence. Consumers are increasingly turning to the platform to interact with brands, and it has quickly become a hub for advertising and sales. So if you haven't already started selling on Instagram, you may be missing out on a huge opportunity. Whether you want to use it as a part of a larger e-commerce strategy or as your main point of sale, I've got some tips to help you get started. First of all, you need to create an Instagram business profile. There's a good chance you already have a personal Instagram account, but if you're serious about selling on the platform, you're going to need to get an Instagram business account. Having a business account includes some features. Instagram shopping. This function makes it possible for you to create product listings, tag products in your feed or stories, and link visitors back to your website to make a sale. Instagram ads. There are tons of ways to display ads on Instagram, and you'll need a business account to create compelling ads, reach a huge audience, and collect insights into the performance of your marketing campaigns. Instagram Insights. Collect data on your visitors. Find out how many people saw your posts, how successful a post was, who your demographic is, and how many new followers you're gaining. Action buttons. Adding action buttons to your profile lets potential customers take actions like calling your business, swipe up, or making a reservation directly from your profile. Location and business hours info. Don't waste space in your bio with basic business information. Instead, use the specially designed space to tell customers when and where they can find you. Your Instagram business profile should also include a profile photo, well-crafted bio, and a link to your shop. Before we go any further, if you're serious about leveling up your Instagram sales, you need to think about Zyro. Zyro e-commerce comes with all the tools you need to sell on Instagram. You're able to tag your product listings directly in your posts and invite users to visit the product page on your website to shop. Try it out now for a 10% discount with my coupon code HA10. Your next job is to make sure your profile is both easy to find and compelling. But how, you might ask? For starters, you're going to need an eye-catching profile picture. Either your brand logo or something closely related to your niche. Just make sure it pops. Next, you want to write an informative and engaging bio. Use the short section to communicate your key message and invite visitors to your shop. Include as much helpful information as you can. Include business hours, your location, and ways that customers can contact you directly. Have a consistent aesthetic. This is key. Instagram is a visual platform to think about how your posts look as whole and try to keep them consistent and attractive. But most importantly, be findable. A great way of reaching new customers that is entirely free is by learning how to actually use hashtags effectively. A few golden rules you should follow are: using fewer heavily searched and followed hashtags is more effective and looks more professional than using lots of big ones. The hashtags you use should be relevant to the content you're sharing, not just your brand or your target audience. That said, the hashtags you use must also be relevant to your target demographic. Find the words and phrases they use. Alright, now you need to create a shoppable Instagram feed with professional images only. Since Instagram is fundamentally a visual platform, your products are only going to stand out if you ensure that they look their best in the photos that you post. The shopping feature allows businesses to tag products that are available for sale and lets users purchase them directly within the app. The Instant Purchases feature lets visitors add items to a cart and buy the products directly from images on your feed. Businesses can create a custom gallery to showcase their products and add the gallery's link to their Instagram bio. Be sure to show your products in an attractive setting, provide all the information customers will need in the caption, and tag shopping posts with relevant hashtags that make them easy to find. Okay, next one. Be mindful of your written content, or in other words, nail the caption. A caption can make or break a post. If you have a compelling image but a weak caption, your post probably won't do too well. This is an area that you definitely need to pay attention to. Writing compelling Instagram captions is a little bit like writing e-commerce product descriptions. To write a good one, you should keep the following things in mind. Plan and draft. Content is important, so think carefully about what you want to say and what impact you want to make on your reader. Lead with the most important information, like what is this product for and why should your customers be interested in it. You may only have your reader's attention for a few seconds, so it's crucial to front-load your copy with your key points. Be careful with hashtags. Use no more than 4 or 5 highly focused and carefully chosen hashtags. Be efficient. If you can say it in 3 words, you don't need to use 10. Establish a consistent voice. Just like with images, there should be consistency in your captions. Find your brand's tone and voice and stick to it as closely as possible. Calls to action. The aim of your captions should be to make users take action. Create promotion opportunities by partnering up with influencers. Instagram influencers are here to stay. If you need proof of that, just look at the way that collaborations and sponsorships have pretty much replaced digital ads. Influencer marketing gives brands a unique opportunity to reach an already engaged audience. You should ensure influencers you work with are relevant to your brand, have a following similar to your audience, use similar keywords as your brand. Once your Instagram e-commerce operation is up and running, there isn't time to rest on your success. Use Instagram Insights and any other analytic tools you have to see what works, who your customer base is, and what you can do to best appeal to them. And there you go! Now you know enough to make a successful Instagram business account and start selling online. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will get back to you. And of course, if you found this video useful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to Hostinger Academy channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon!